Be quiet until my hair colored is not done.
Okay, but I'm so bored.
It looks interesting.
Huh?
Mom, I made this for you.
I think you want this.
Huh? What can I do?
Come out right now.
No!
Oh my god!
Huh?
Oh my god!
Huh?
Help me!
We have to rescue our kitten.
Okay.
Where you can go now!
Huh?
Go! Go!
Wow!
I need a job. Can you teach me how to drive ship?
Yes, of course.
Thanks, sir. Okay, bye.
Why she was talking so friendly?
Huh?
I don't want to talk to you.
Wow. Please, someone save me!
Please hold my hand, kitten.
Listen, I'm here to help you. Your kitten is alone. He needs a mother.
Yes, you can please come my home. Try to understand your mother is gone. You need a mother. Look at her.
Huh? Nice. Yes, I can consider her my mother.
I'm going to take care of my kitten.
Bye-bye!
Okay, now I'm fed up. You are going to do all the housework. Listen carefully, brat.
What are you saying, my mother?
Hey, don't call me mother. I'm just here to live my dream. Comfort life. Now go to your work.
Oh no, she betrayed us.
Forget something. Don't tell anything to your father. Otherwise, you better know.
Okay, I don't tell anything. Please don't beat me.
Hello! Hello, I make this food for you. Please have it.
Okay, it's look delicious, thank you.
I also want to tell you Kitten always teased me and said I can't be his mother.
What are you saying, kitten? Go right now.
Okay, go daddy. Mama, I miss you. Please come back. I need you. I feel hungry. I remember Mother always takes snack for me in cabinet. Wow! I always remember you, Mama. Who is here?
I am post officer. There's a letter for you.
A letter for me.
I'm alive. OH, no, my kitten, I had to do something. I write this letter for you, my dearest kitten. Sometimes you feel lonely. Please don't think that I'm always with you. But I know you can find me. I know about that evil cat. Please become unstoppable and fight for your mother. I know you can do this. Come find me. I can wait for you always.
Oh my god!
Yes, Mother, I can fight for you. I come to you. Please wait for me. Now I'm ready to find my mother. Father, you can go. I need to find my mother. Huh?
would you come here?
Because this is my home. She was always torture our kitten.
Oh my god!
Wow. Papa, okay lo.
Help me!
Both done an amazing work. God bless you.